I'll let you use mine.
Yeah, I can use yours.
I didn't know this.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 40, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Kansas, Marion, McPherson,
They said
and Kelly.
8.
Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest of severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 40 has been issued from 5:45 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas, Marion,